Hey everyone, today I'm building a chair and a small table. If you just follow the steps, it's actually not complicated. Even beginners can handle it. Alright, let's head to the workshop and get started. The first thing I usually do is measure everything out and mark my lines. It doesn't have to be perfect, just getting everything laid out is enough. Alright, time to start cutting. I usually use a circular saw to rough everything out first. Then clean it up to the exact line. Oh, yeah, don't forget to add a convenient handle to the backrest of the chair. Then I'll sand the edges down so everything fits together more easily later. Now I'm starting on the frame. I like to pre-drill first, then drive the screws in. It just makes everything smoother. Since the wood is pretty thick, this helps prevent splitting. At this point, you can actually start seeing it take shape. Just taking it step by step, nothing too complicated. After building the first one, the second and third chairs went together way faster than I expected. The table follows the same process. Nothing new here, just repeating the same structure. Then I'll add a coat of wood finish to make it more durable and bring out the grain. And that's it. We're done. A simple outdoor table and chair set built from scratch. It fits perfectly in a front yard or backyard setup. I think I lines just sit here for a bit and start thinking about what to build next.